So our topic for today is all about online file formats for images and text. Image file extensions or formats. Image file formats are standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. So, ito ay paraan ng pag-aayos at pag-iipon ng mga image. So, an image file format may store data in uncompressed raster format, a compressed raster format, or a vector format. So, pwede itong maging iba't ibang klase ng format. So, yung tatlong klase ng format na iyon ay ito nga, uncompressed raster format. Contain a lot of detailed image data, which is why the files are so big. So, madami ang mga details ng uncompressed raster format kaya malaki din yung size ng files. So, ang example nito ay TIFF. Yung pangalawa naman is compressed raster format. A compression algorithm stores either an exact representation or an approximation of the image in a smaller number of bytes that can be expanded back to its uncompressed form with a corresponding decompression algorithm. So, sa compressed raster format naman, smaller file size, pero poor na yung quality. So, ang example nun are JPEG, PNG, and GIF. So, yung pangatlo naman is vector format. Are commonly found today in the PDF or AI types of graphic file formats and are different from the more common raster graphic files formats such as JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Ang example naman nito is EPS. So, yung unang online file format is called Joint Photographic Experts Group o JPEG. Pwede rin itong tawagin na JPG, pero yung JPG is an older version. Yung JPEG naman is the newer version. So, JPEG is used when a small photographic file is needed, typically for the web. So, ginagamit ito para sa mga low storage. JPEG is a popular image file format. It is commonly used by the digital cameras to store photos since it supports 224 colors. And then, the format also supports varying levels of compression, which makes it ideal for the web graphics. So, sinusupport niya daw yung levels of compression means it can be turned back to its original form. Yung uncompressed raster format niya. So, professional digital photographers often choose to capture images and typically export the pictures as JPEG images when they are shared or published on the web. So, yung JPEG it is capable of reducing file size, but the image quality is lost over time and can cause pixelation.